Chalk this one up to either dumb luck or stupid mistake-resistant design, but a commercial jet just managed to fly the equivalent of almost 2 weeks with a tool stuck in one of its engines. A newly published report from the Australian Transport Safety Bureau details the adventures of the Airbus A380 that picked up the stowaway on December 7, 2023, after maintenance engineers forgot about the lost tool procedures before sending the aircraft back into service. The Qantas Airways jet was in Los Angeles while undergoing an inspection on the left outboard engine's intermediate pressure compressor. One of the engineers who had checked out the tool, a roughly 4-foot nylon rod, headed out early for a medical appointment and left the remainder of the inspection to the other engineer. When the work was finished, the subsequent inspections failed to see the tool was still stuck in the engine compressor. Later the next day, the aircraft departed Los Angeles for Melbourne. It flew 34 cycles, totaling 294 hours, with the tool in the engine until its next scheduled maintenance check. According to the report, although the tool was found to have been deformed by high-energy airflow, there was no damage observed to the engine itself. And luckily, the tool didn't cause any operational problems while the aircraft was in flight. After the tool was discovered, Qantas Engineering said it immediately briefed staff on the importance of ensuring all tooling is returned and actioned by tool store personnel. The airline also completed an internal investigation and issued a safety directive stressing the importance of complying with company tool control requirements. ATSB Chief Commissioner Angus Mitchell said, quote, "Foreign object debris and damage can pose a significant threat to the safe operation of aircraft, which is why regulations, procedures, and training are in place to limit the risk of foreign object damage, especially from introduced objects during maintenance." In this case, the Qantas engineers managed to avoid dire consequences for their mistake. But forgetting random objects in a jet engine doesn't always work out, as evidenced by an incident last year when a flashlight was left in an F-35, resulting in $4 million in damages. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.